We have a second entry short setting up here. Actually, it's a second chance entry on a second entry short. And let's say that we take this trade based on the price action. The steeper trend line's already been broken, and now my sell stop order would be right here. So we just got hit on a sell stop order. So, this video is about how do we manage our trades. When we enter, we look at order flow. Do we get out? Do we stay in? What are some of the signs where we can kind of protect our trade? Either take a small loss or stay in it for a longer run. So one of the encouraging things that we're beginning to see here is the offers and the bids are being pulled. The offers are strengthening. That's a really good sign. We see a lot of big players coming in, really huge orders coming through, actually. A lot of times bigger moves are preceded by these guys coming through. So we got a bit of firming going on here. It's a lot of bull prints right here at 1226. Strength meter is still on the bear side. So we're officially one tick in profit here. Just ignore the arrows on the chart. I was messing around with this new trading platform, S5 Trader. So we're a couple ticks in profit now. And again, you see bids being pulled, offers being strengthened. So that's still a good sign for us. Yeah, so now we have some large players coming in. They're trying to defend this area. Now I skipped ahead a little bit, just to kind of move the price actions. So you see here, price coming back here to test my entry area. Now, if I move my stop to break even, then I'm out right here. But the question is, do I see anything that really warrants me getting out? So my strength is still pretty good in terms of the strength meter, but I can see that I'm pulling a lot of orders on the offer side, and my bids are firming up and strengthening. So, however, as I'm looking, I see this one print of this big player coming through right here. And, you can think to yourself, well, he's a big player. Maybe this thing's going to turn. Maybe I'll see a flip in the offer, on the offer side. And maybe they're just trying to sucker up some other players to get a better entry. So, again, we have quite a few prints going on here for the long trades. And now we start to see some offers get pulled on the bid side. Start to see some firming up on the offer side. Start to see, another big trader coming in. My strength meter is still going pretty good. So, at this point, there's probably nothing that I'm looking at that says to me, okay, let's get out right now. Let's get worried. I want to watch very closely what happens, though, when this bar closes and what happens on the next bar. So again, skipping ahead a little bit, we had a little bit of a rough batch going on there. And really what happened here, as you can see here, this is a failed second entry long that's set up. And it actually brought me down now to my area where I'd take a 4-tick profit. And you can see you got big guys coming through, lots of big players. So, that whole pullback while I was in the trade was, probably an attempt for these guys to pull the price back a little bit, get better entries so that they can push it down a little lower with better prices. So you can see that, eventually those guys did push through. You can see lots of prints there on the bear side for sure. I actually sped this up a little bit, twice the speed or 1.5 times speed, just so you can see how this move actually completed itself. It's a great example of using the order flow tools to monitor your entries and monitor your current trades.